my project is a web quest on the Industrial Revolution and the farms that changed American history. In this web quest, teachers will explore ways to organize online resources to study this topic. As I work with Storyline, I realize that completing this web quest will take more than 30 minutes. Therefore, this outline is in part 1, which covers materials through the Indian Wars. I'll start by introducing myself as the designer and let teachers know I have experience in this particular area. Then we'll continue by taking a look at some objectives that students should be able to fulfill if this website is designed in a manner that teachers feel appropriate. Then, in case teachers do not have a Google account, I'll show them how to find instructions to set up a Google account if they need that. Then there'll also be instructions on how to set up a Google website if they do have a Google account. And here are additional instructions. And of course, here at the bottom, we see an untitled page, which gives an example of what their website should look like at this particular point in time. And we'll go into beginning with talking about the Industrial Revolution, its effect on warfare. And we'll talk about virtual images and the Industrial Revolution, how to use them in teaching. And of course, here are some examples of these virtual images. There are quite a few of them. There are some additional examples of these virtual images. Teachers also will probably want to add videos to these images. And of course, they don't know how to do it. Here are some videos. We're going to make a playlist. They can create videos and put connections to those videos in their website. And here's some examples of videos on the Industrial Revolution. Here are some examples of possible quiz questions that can be used on Industrial Revolution to test knowledge. You answer a paragraph for 250 words or less. Here are some virtual museums of American military history, because of that connection with the Industrial Revolution. Quite a few of them. And numerous images teachers can use. Here are more examples of virtual museums of American military history. More examples here as well. Additional examples. Of course, this is because this is only part 1. Part 2 will cover these additional areas. Then we'll go to examples of images taken in the virtual museums of the Civil War, which will be placed here. And we'll go to examples of Civil War videos placed here. And examples of quiz questions that can be used to test knowledge of the American Civil War will be placed here. And examples of images taken in the virtual of the Indian Wars will be placed here. Examples of videos for Indian Wars will be placed here. Example of the website with all pages filled in to Indian will be placed here. This, of course, will be the final example that shows what this website should look like if the teachers are following the instructions we've given them. Of course, they may want to adjust it to their own desires.